Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I will be talking about Prada's Infusion Dome. This is the sample I had here. Actually I had three of these I got off of eBay. Um, 2008 release, classified as a woody aromatic. The notes, we have neroli, iris, pelida, vetiver, cedar, incense, and benzoin. And this one got 4 out of 5 stars averaged at base notes. Now with this one, once again, a Prada fragrance. It has that same soapy feel that you're going to get from Prada Amber Pour Homme. Now with this one though, it is a little different. Definitely similar. You can tell it's the same house. Now when I reviewed Prada Amber, I said it kind of smelled like spray starch. It kind of reminded me of when I was in the Navy and I would spray that starch on my shirts before I ironed them. So it kind of gave me like a fresh, clean white shirt kind of a vibe. Now with this one, I think this one is actually more of a clean, soapy skin smell. Imagine somebody just took a shower using like an orange iris soap, and you go into the bathroom a couple minutes later, all that steam is kind of coming up in the air. You kind of get a whiff of some of that soap, and it has like a steaminess to it, I think. At least it does to my nose. Also, because it is iris, there is a powdery feel to it. So a nice, soft, comforting, soapy scent. It's pretty nice. I think I do like this one better than the Prada Amber for some reason. More my thing. Something about the amber thing in Prada Amber, it just made it seem almost too sweet. And like I said, kind of starchy. But this one, just a nice soap. Now this one still, I would say, is a unisex kind of a smell. There is supposed to be like some vetiver incense here. Maybe a slight touch of earthiness there. It doesn't come across as a flower bomb or anything like that, but still, definitely not the most manly, soapy fragrance on the market. And I'm kind of in the same vein as like the Mugler cologne, how that's kind of a unisex smell as well. So I would say it's a good idea to have a good soapy fragrance in your collection. If you're looking for something kind of unisex and clean, personally, I think one would be enough. I would look at Amber, I would look at Infusion Dome, I look at Mugler, and maybe pick the one you like the best. Or you might just want to skip all three. If you want a more manly soap, maybe go with something like Creed's Original Vetiver or something like that. I'm sure a lot of people would agree that that would probably trump all three of those anyway. So, yeah, a nice, clean, easy to wear, rather versatile scent. I didn't get any compliments wearing this one. My wife didn't seem overly crazy about it. My stepdaughter said she thought it was pretty nice. But enough talk about the scent. Let's get into some scores here. The smell, I will give it 7 out of 10. It is nice, but it just kind of lacks the edge of a good masculine soap, I think. Price point, very interesting. I give it 8 out of 10. Now at Fragrance Nets, you can get a 1.7 ounce for $31.35, which is pretty good. But if you get the huge 6.7 ounce, it's only $67. So we're looking at $10 an ounce for this one if you get the huge bottles. They might even have huger bottles than that on the market. So, wow, for splitters, I mean, you could offer this stuff for pennies on the dollar. Versatility, it could be a signature scent if you're into like the softer unisex soapiness. For me though, I would probably say mostly for like spring days when I just want to touch a floral. 7 out of 10. Projection longevity, okay. I don't think it was ever overpowering, but definitely first 2 to 5 hours, it should leave a little bit of a scent cloud. 7 out of 10 there. Uniqueness, I think Prada's soapy fragrances are pretty unique, although within the own house itself, they do seem to smell similar from what I'm seeing here. So we'll say 6.5 out of 10. Overall, though, 7 out of 10, a solid soapy fragrance. Definitely worth looking into if you like iris soap. a little bit of orange in there. Maybe you don't like the green soap so much. This is more like a light, pale, orange, yellow soap with a bit of a feminine quality to it as well. So yeah, girls, don't forget to try this one out too if you like Iris soap. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.